Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2,000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Danish ebook before it's gone.
In this lesson, you'll learn some of the most common greetings used in Denmark. Er I klar? Are you ready? Så lad os begynde. So let's start. The most used informal greeting is hej. Hej. Hej means hi. You can use it when you meet people and it can be used with anyone. But it isn't the only way to greet someone. We also have goddag. Goddag. It is a more time-specific greeting and is equivalent to hello. Literally, goddag means good day. As a rule of thumb, you can use goddag only during the daytime, from morning until evening. During the evening, we say god aften. God aften. Aften is Danish for evening, so god aften means good evening. Finally, in the mornings, we say god morgen. God morgen, which means good morning. Good day, god aften, and god morgen are used when we meet someone, but when we leave, we don't say these again. When parting ways for a long time, we usually say ha det godt. Ha det godt. Ha det godt means be well, but a better translation is all the best. Finally, in Danish, we have an expression meaning see you. Vi ses. Vi ses. Now you can greet people in many different ways in Danish. Let's review them all again. When meeting friends or someone we don't know, hej or goddag. In the morning, god morgen. In the evening, god aften. When leaving for a long time, ha det godt. When leaving and implying see you soon, vi ses. It's easy, isn't it? Now it's time for Louise's insights. In formal situations, Danish people commonly greet each other by shaking hands. On the other hand, if we meet someone we're very friendly with no matter their gender, it's common to give hugs. Don't be afraid to try it out with your Danish friends.
Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. How are your Danish listening skills? In this video, you'll have a chance to test them out with a quiz. First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
En kvinde spørger en butiksassistent om noget i en bogbutik. Hvilken bog vil kvinden kigge nærmere på? Undskyld mig, jeg vil gerne se på den bog på hylden der.
Hvilken bog vil du have?
Den om biler.
Lige et øjeblik. Denne her.
Ja, den der.
Værsgo.
Hvilken bog vil kvinden kigge nærmere på? En kvinde spørger en butiksassistent om noget i en bogbutik. Hvilken bog vil kvinden kigge nærmere på? Undskyld mig, jeg vil gerne se på den bog på hylden der.
Hvilken bog vil du have?
Den om biler.
Lige et øjeblik. Denne her.
Ja, den der.
Værsgo.
En mand og en kvinde kigger på menuen i en restaurant. Hvad bestiller manden?
Hvad bestiller du?
Pizzaen ser god ud. Jeg tror, jeg tager den.
Jeg fik pizza i går, så...
Okay så. Hvad med burgeren?
Det lyder lækkert. Den tager jeg.
Hvad bestiller manden? En mand og en kvinde kigger på menuen i en restaurant. Hvad bestiller manden?
Hvad bestiller du?
Pizzaen ser god ud. Jeg tror, jeg tager den.
Jeg fik pizza i går, så...
Okay så. Hvad med burgeren?
Det lyder lækkert. Den tager jeg.
En mand ringer til lægens kontor. Hvad tid skal han være ved lægens kontor senest? Goddag. Hvad kan jeg gøre for dig?
Hvad tid lukker I i dag?
Vi lukker klokken 18. Vær så venlig at komme inden 17:30.
Okay, tak skal du have.
Hvad tid skal han være ved lægens kontor senest? En mand ringer til lægens kontor. Hvad tid skal han være ved lægens kontor senest? Goddag. Hvad kan jeg gøre for dig?
Hvad tid lukker I i dag?
Vi lukker klokken 18. Vær så venlig at komme inden 17:30.
Okay, tak skal du have.
En dreng læser op fra hans dagbog. Hvad var det første, drengen gjorde i dag?
Vejret var supert i dag. I eftermiddags tog jeg ud og svømmede i poolen, og om aftenen tog jeg i biografen. Jeg studerede også hele formiddagen. I dag var ikke dårlig.
Hvad var det første, drengen gjorde i dag? En dreng læser op fra hans dagbog. Hvad var det første, drengen gjorde i dag?
Vejret var supert i dag. I eftermiddags tog jeg ud og svømmede i poolen, og om aftenen tog jeg i biografen. Jeg studerede også hele formiddagen. I dag var ikke dårlig.
En kvinde og en mand kigger på et billede. Hvilket billede kigger de på? Dette er et billede af det fodboldhold, din søn er på, ikke? Hvilken en er din søn?
Ham her.
Han er den højeste.
Jep, han er endda højere end mig.
Hvilket billede kigger de på? En kvinde og en mand kigger på et billede. Hvilket billede kigger de på? Dette er et billede af det fodboldhold, din søn er på, ikke? Hvilken en er din søn?
Ham her.
Han er den højeste.
Jep, han er endda højere end mig. Hej,
Hej,
hvordan går det?
det går godt. Hvad med dig?
Det går også godt.
Hej, jeg hedder Emma. Hvad hedder du?
Jeg hedder William.
Rart at møde dig.
I lige måde.
Want to finally start speaking in your target language? In this guide, you'll discover the top 7 ways to practice speaking on your own with our lessons. Let's begin. Number 1, shadowing. Shadowing is a proven learning technique where all you do is repeat what you hear in order to practice speaking. So access any audio or video lesson on the site and press the play button to start. Then, as you listen or watch, just repeat the conversations. Or, even easier, read along out loud with the dialogue section. The script is right there in front of you. With our lessons, you can master entire conversations, just like that. Number 2, read out loud. I just mentioned it, but reading out loud is another powerful tactic and deserves its own mention. With every lesson, you get written transcripts and translations. So, as you play the lesson, read the dialogue out loud as you hear it. Why? By reading out loud, you're also practicing your speaking skills. You can do this with the lesson notes, the lesson transcript, or the dialogue tool. With the dialogue tool, you can listen to each line again and again, and repeat out loud until you master them all. Number 3, speed up your reading to speed up your speaking. Being able to speak without thinking is a sign of language mastery. If you're talking to a native and can respond quickly, they'll assume that you're fairly fluent. How can you do this? When you read out loud, try increasing your speed a little bit every time. So, start by reading with the dialogue tool. If you're like most learners, you'll read the first line slowly. That's because you're still getting used to the words, which is okay. Reread it. On your second try, you know most of the words, and you'll read a little faster. Reread it again. On your third try, you'll be even faster, at a native speaker's speed. And being able to read these phrases out loud and fast will help you speak fast. Number 4, record and compare yourself with native speakers. In order to sound like a native speaker, you must imitate native speakers. So here's how. Access the voice recorder, which is in the Dialogue Study tool in every lesson. Click on the microphone icon. Listen to the native speaker's audio, and then record yourself. You can then compare the two recordings side by side, and practice and try again and again until you perfect your pronunciation. Number 5, get feedback from our Premium Plus teacher. If you're learning by yourself and don't have access to real teachers, then you can always get feedback from our Premium Plus teachers. With the My Teacher tool, you can record yourself speaking and send the audio file to the teacher. They'll review it and tell you what to improve and how. That's it. Number 6, level up your speaking with Premium Plus assignments. With Premium Plus, you can also get assignments that cover reading, writing, listening, and even speaking from your teacher. These assignments can be tailored to your goals and needs. You get a new one every week, or anytime you're ready for a new one. Number 7, get even more lessons in the lesson library. If you want even more lessons on speaking and conversations, visit our lesson library and under Category, choose Conversation. You'll get all of the pathways and lessons that are focused on speaking. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share it with anyone who's trying to learn a language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. And if you're ready to finally learn language the fast, fun, and easy way, and start speaking from your very first lesson, get our complete learning program. Sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Click the link in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye!
I'm sorry.
Undskyld. Undskyld.
Don't worry.
Det skal du ikke tænke på. Det skal du ikke tænke på.
It's okay.
Det er okay. Det er okay.
Please.
Bed om. Bed om.
Please forgive me.
Vær sød og tilgiv mig. Vær sød og tilgiv mig.
I really appreciate it.
Jeg sætter virkelig pris på det. Jeg sætter virkelig pris på det.
Thank you.
Tak. Tak.
You're welcome.
Velbekomme. Velbekomme.
Make yourself at home.
Lad som om du er hjemme. Lad som om du er hjemme.
Hello.
Goddag. Goddag.
Good morning.
Morgen. Morgen.
Goodbye.
Farvel. Farvel.
Long time no see.
Det er lang tid siden. Det er lang tid siden.
Good evening.
God aften. God aften.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
Undskyld, at jeg lod dig vente. Undskyld, at jeg lod dig vente.
Wait a moment.
Vær sød og vente et øjeblik. Vær sød og vente et øjeblik.
Hello?
Goddag. Goddag.
Awesome.
Fantastisk. Fantastisk.
Delicious.
Lækkert. Lækkert.
I like it.
Jeg kan lide det. Jeg kan lide det.
I don't like it.
Jeg kan ikke lide det. Jeg kan ikke lide det.
How are you?
Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det?
Really?
Virkelig? Virkelig?
Help.
Hjælp. Hjælp.
What time is it?
Hvad er klokken? Hvad er klokken?
I'm good.
Det går godt. Det går godt.
Nice to meet you.
Rart at møde dig. Rart at møde dig.
Slower, please.
Langsommere tak. Langsommere tak.
It's difficult.
Det er svært. Det er svært.
Once again, please.
En gang til, bed om. En gang til, bed om.
I don't understand.
Jeg forstår det ikke. Jeg forstår det ikke.
This is for you.
Det er til dig. Det er til dig.
How have you been?
Går det godt? Går det godt?
What is it?
Hvad er det? Hvad er det?
Where are you from?
Hvor kommer du fra? Hvor kommer du fra?
How old are you?
Hvor gammel er du? Hvor gammel er du?
What's your phone number?
Hvad er dit nummer? Hvad er dit nummer?
It's true.
Det er sandt. Det er sandt.
I'm afraid I can't make it.
Jeg er bange for, at jeg ikke kan nå det. Jeg er bange for, at jeg ikke kan nå det.
I forgive you.
Jeg tilgiver dig. Jeg tilgiver dig.
Never mind.
Det er lige meget. Det er lige meget.
Good night.
Godnat. Godnat.
Good afternoon.
God eftermiddag. God eftermiddag.
How many people are there in your family?
Hvor mange er der i din familie? Hvor mange er der i din familie?
Bye bye.
Hej hej. Hej hej.
And you?
Og dig? Og dig?
I'm fine.
Jeg har det fint. Jeg har det fint.
Excuse me.
Undskyld. Undskyld.
Stop here, please.
Stop her, tak. Stop her, tak.
Just a minute, please.
Et øjeblik, tak. Et øjeblik, tak.
Hold on.
Hold fast. Hold fast.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.